like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. All of the links are going to be in my bio, all that good stuff. In the pin in the comments and stuff. If you want to get the, if you want to grab the indicators, get the strategies, all that good stuff. If you're part of the Patreon, all my targets on MSTR hit, right? That's basically it. I just make this video for that. I do think that as of right now, this close, MSTR is probably going to keep going up, and this is due to Bitcoin pushing to that 100K mark, right? And I did call Bitcoin pushing up like this. I think Bitcoin right now has like a 99% chance that we're going to 106. And if you guys saw my most recent videos, you guys know that I'm already targeting 106K Bitcoin, right? I wasn't targeting 100K. I wasn't targeting 99. I wasn't targeting 102. I'm targeting 106K, and it's going to get there, right? If you close like this today on this 24-hour, you're going to get there, right? You already closed the 4-hour bull trigger up here, right? That's it. If you close a bear candle under a bull open, you're probably just going to come down to 98 retest and then push up to 106. But ultimately, you're going to 106K. And if you saw the videos a couple days, well, not a couple days, I think it was like yesterday or something. If you saw that, you're probably in Mara calls, right? Like I'm pretty sure I even have the chart set up yesterday or something. Yeah, there you go. Just hit my target, 27 bucks. So yeah, that's pretty cool. But yeah, all targets hit for MSTR. Currently short on Tesla and AMD. So those are not coming down how I wanted them to. Tesla's actually pushing up, so I might actually take a loss on Tesla. And then AMD, I think AMD was pushing up a little bit too. Yeah, AMD's kind of chilling, so I'm waiting. I'm not gonna necessarily sell my AMD yet. Tesla, I'm probably gonna take the L because I'm probably gonna make most of that money back on MSTR when we open. So I'll probably cash out in some profit, take out MSTR, take out Tesla, and then look for like new trades and stuff. But Tesla looks like it's gonna keep going, right? I don't know if it's gonna. I actually don't know. I actually expected it to actually drop from here, right? I needed this to actually go lower because my confirmation was to short back here, right? Back on December 3rd, right? When you close under the bull open right here. Well, actually, sorry, confirmation was right here. Confirmation was right here at 352. But, I needed this to go all the way down to at least like a 345, and you just kept holding the support, and now you're pushing to the upside, right? So I'll probably hold Tesla a little bit longer just to see if we actually can reject and come back a little bit lower, so I don't take like the full loss. Not a full loss, but just take like, not take like I'm not gonna sell up at these highs, right? I want at least a little bit of a pullback. So Tesla, AMD, yeah, those are negative right now. I'm going to hold AMD just because it does look like it's going to keep going down. And then Bitcoin, again, it looks like it's going to push up again. So I'm hoping that Bitcoin actually probably may be touching 106K today, honestly. I'll be honest. It does look like it wants 106,000 today. You guys should be expecting some sort of rejection at 106K. So yeah, all my MSTR targets hit. All my Mara targets hit. Pretty sure all my Bitcoin targets are going to hit as of maybe today, tomorrow, but it's going 106K. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.